Hi, I'm Rob Parnell. Welcome to this very special Udemy course. It's special because over the coming lectures, we're going to start working on you, getting exactly what you want. Imagine getting the thing you've always wanted. Are you thinking about it now? Good, then keep that positive image in mind. Let it fill you with joy and pleasure. Now, in general, there are just three things we need to achieving any dream. Number 1, motivation. Number 2, focus. And number 3, perseverance. You can easily remember these three factors by using the acronym MFP, which actually stands for More Fun Please. We'll be dealing with each of these factors, motivation, focus and perseverance, later in this course. Soon, actually. But the thing is, none of these three MFP factors come into play until you know exactly what you want first. Again, more on defining your ultimate goal in the coming lectures. We don't want to get ahead of ourselves. Yet. It's only the intro. Who am I? Now, at this point, I'm supposed to tell you why I'm best qualified to be your teacher. Well, simply put, I'm a freelance wordsmith and writing teacher. I'm the proud author of 30 Amazon #1 bestsellers, one of which is called The Easy Way to Get Rich. So, okay, in the past I was a musician, an actor, a corporate buyer and a contract manager. So I have a lot of different types of experience to bring to the table. As a self-help writer and novelist, I went full-time professional in 2002. Basically because I made a decision to finally get what I wanted. I used a simple strategy then to get me out of serious debt and into the life of my dreams, and it worked. Since then, I've used the same strategy to get everything I ever wanted. Money, houses, cars, you name it. I've used the same strategy to write books, to get paying gigs, to sell screenplays, to make movies, even to getting the perfect relationship. Actually, don't tell my wife I said that. Seriously, many people, most in fact, have only some nebulous idea of what they actually want. You know the sort of thing. Happiness, security, more money, any money. A better relationship, sometimes any old relationship. But very few people actually focus on one primary, specific, overriding goal and then work on that one goal until it's done. But why is that? Well, basically, experience tells us we rarely get what we want anyway, so we'd better not focus too hard on something important, just to avoid disappointment. If that's been your reality up to this point, then kiss that goodbye. Because this course will teach you how to identify your #1 goal and show you how to easily work on it until you get what you want and create a new reality based on becoming the sort of person who always gets what they want. Actually, I shouldn't have used the word work in the last sentence. That's the last thing I want you to think, that this course involves work. Because, really, it involves fun. Why? Because I believe that unless you're having fun and you are thoroughly enjoying yourself, you probably won't be able to maintain the enthusiasm you will need daily to continue with your goal until you've got the thing nailed. So, what's in store? During this course, we're going to think of reaching your goal as a journey. Not in the sense of some oldie-worldy quest either, but a journey where you are in the driver's seat of your new life and you're speeding towards your destination. I'll be using the driving analogy a lot during this course because it best describes the process, which is thorough, invigorating, and best of all, fast. So if you want to have fun this coming year and get what you've always wanted, then you've come to the right place. See you soon.